everybody. I am a student of MBA third semester at Nepal Open University. And my name is Vivek Tirdal. Today I am here to present my project work of operation management on improving operation through this presentation. In my table of content includes introduction, objective, significance of the word, methods and method used, results and discussion, and lastly dealing with conclusion and recommendation. Now let's move through introduction portion. Yes, operation management is a mindset of team or a group of people working together to solve any of the complex problem in a simpler way, giving the best output to any of the project or any of the company or to any of the industry. Yes, operation management is also critical growth of excellence. These days, two different Japanese concepts or approaches are widely used in the operational improvement. The one is people-oriented approach. Under this, 5S activity, Kaizen, zero defect concept, quality circle are included. And the other is work-oriented approach. Under this, statistical quality control, just-in-time manufacturing, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-integrated manufacturing, flexible manufacturing system, etc. are used. In these modern days, technology plays an important role for improving operation. The objective of my presentation or my project is to study and reduce the palm oil consumption of noodle line to 24.5 kg per 110 kg batch, and the specific objective include to study and analyze the overall consumption of palm oil or the losses that occur in the noodle production shop floor, to carry out different continuous activities there for the overconsumption of the palm oil for its reduction. And the significance of the study include operation management is to ensure the production run smoothly even where the unexpected situation arises. Moreover, it ensures on the effective management of the various aspects in the organization or in the manufacturing industry. Therefore, for improving operation in the organization where I involved at CG Foods Nawalparasi, under production department, I would like to take a step forward to improve and sustain the operational losses on reducing excess palm oil consumption than the standard of 5 different noodles line. During project work, various methods and materials were used. The materials like SSC, pipeline, motor and its parts, auto dosing system and its spare parts, ice cube, MS pipeline, elbows, plates, tray, etc. were used. The materials, many of the materials were collected from the CG Foods scrap area. The metals that are not available for fabricating different materials that were collected through the CG purchase department. Various methods were used. First of all, a small group improvement activities team was formed. The team is cross-functional one, including production, quality, maintenance, dispatch, store, and purchase, and roles and responsibility were defined for them. Historical data were collected through MIS and they were studied based on the plant, season, and so on. Various possible causes were identified by visiting every plant, identified the various process losses gaps, and by brainstorming process and presented in a fishbone diagram. Major and main causes were followed by RCA or say 5-way analysis, with defining problem of its causes with the possible solution, and the works were distributed within the given time frame to the team members. The fact evaluation analysis of all the 5 different noodle plants were carried out every day. Monthly data of the palm oil consumption, including hot room and the palm oil received through noodles plant, received by noodles plant, were collected from MIS, and and the data were used for the verification and calculation purposes. Now let's move to the results and discussion. Operation improvement can be achieved by doing various continuous activities in any of the organization. Kaizen activities plays a tons of role in reducing excess palm oil of different noodle plant, like use of ice cube during dough preparation, reduce the temperature of the dough to 27 to 30 degrees centigrade. That helps in improving consistency, texture of the dough. Lastly, aiding in reducing the excess oil uptake during frying. Fabrication and addition of blower after frying. Section to reduce the excess oil uptake during frying at 5 different noodle plants. Fabrication and installation of de-oiling mechanism from oily bhujia that were collected between cooling section of a noodle line to recover the excess oil uptake by it and reuse in the process. Batch-wise dosing system is replaced by auto dosing system, as it acts as an indicator level for the fryer, due to which the fluctuation of the speed, temperature and fat absorption can be minimized. Process loss is highly minimized when transfer was done using drum and triangle, and the losses were seen in the production consumption figure by the use of direct pipeline method to various plant and scrap area. Fabrication and installation of conveyor washing tray in all the noodles plant below the steaming section to reduce the excess palm oil consumption. Initially a roller with a tray or tray containing roller and certain amount of palm oil is incorporated here for the lubrication purpose of the steamer chain. During that purpose, more than 100 kg of palm oil for 24 hours is consumed. When the washing tray in other noodle plant were fabricated, only 50% or 50 kg per 24 hour of palm oil is consumed. Correction and changing of leakage points from pipeline, joints and elbows plays an important role for reducing the unseen losses in the noodles production area. As for lab report, the palm oil consumption of 5 different noodles plant after this project shows a positive result as shown in the table there. Likely, seasonal variation plays an important role in palm oil consumption. Moreover, in the cold season, the palm oil consumption gradually decreases, but in the hot season or months, the palm oil consumption slowly increases. It also can seen here in the graph too. Likely, the use of ice cubes during dough preparation also reduces the palm oil consumption. By the use of palm oil consumption, 6,87,500 rupees is saved when the trial was conducted only in a single plant, and it is the 1 month saving. Likely, after the completion of this project, the palm oil consumption is found reduced below the given target, and when calculated, when taking the saving palm oil consumption in monetary value, 18,28,190 rupees is saved after doing this project. The calculation basis was done taking the palm oil consumption rate is Rs 110 rupees. Now finally let's move to the conclusion. On the basis of the research we conducted, the following conclusion was drawn. Overconsumption of palm oil is observed high on hot season as compared to the cold season. The effect during frying. This is the effect during frying. Controlling and correcting process losses, spillage, during loading, unloading, transferring and so on plays an important role in reducing palm oil consumption. Doing various continuous activities in the production flow in a team gives a positive result of any of the above problem. And the recommendation, following recommendation or ideas were recommended from my side to cope with the same problem in coming days in Noodles division of CG. Installation of flow meter in the main service tank, that is at hot room, for accurate measurement and verification of the received and issued palm oil. Activation of the cooling mechanism or cooling system to replace the use of ice to maintain the dough temperature below 30 degrees centigrade. Likely, direct servicing of palm oil to plant service tank by the replacement of underground pipeline system from hot room. Also, the study on the effect of guar gum percentage during dough preparation will be done for the study of the oil uptake percentage during frying, as guar gum is a palm oil reducing agent. Various work done photos were also presented in this slide. Addition of the blower in all the plant, welding a plate to save certain kg of palm oil, oil mod de-oiling mechanism, changing tank elbow, and auto loading system installation and sustaining in all the noodles plant during frying. Likely fabrication and installation of washing conveyor tray in all the plant is shared in the other presentation too. And installation of palm oil pipeline tank to hot room and scrap area. Thank you.